Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some of the items that annual members can choose from for the summer FabFitFun box. First up, we have the Mind Tan Body Skin Moisturizing Recovery After Sun Gel. So this is actually going to soothe and soften your skin because it has natural anti-inflammatories. For best results, you're going to want to put it on right after you get a sunburn. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it feels like. I can definitely tell that it would moisturize my skin. The smell isn't very strong, which is nice. It's nice and subtle. Personally, I have been blessed and I don't get super sunburnt. I just get really dark. But my husband, let me tell you, he gets outside, gets a little bit of sun, and he's a lobster.
Oh my god, I'm so terribly sunburned.
Move your hand.
Oh my freaking... Oh, that feels good on my sunburn.
So he's gonna appreciate this. So next up, we have the SOAR Selfie Ring Light. This is super cool because you can attach it to your phone, your medicine cabinet mirror, your tablet, your laptop, anywhere. So it has 32 LED lights all around, and it also has 3 modes. So when you first click it, it has this one, then it gets brighter, and then it gets brighter. So there's 3 different modes. It's 2021. Good lighting is everything, we all know that. So you can use this for your meetings, for your selfies. I'll be TikToking everywhere with good lighting, and I won't need my massive ring light because I have this perfect little thing. Next up, we have the To The Market Melamine Printed Tray. So you can use this to put your keys on there, your wallet, your coins, maybe some fruits, maybe put some lemons on this lemon tray. I love lemons and I love little trays. If you put something on a tray, it's automatically just gonna look more organized instead of just throwing it wherever like Alex does. Thank you. If the tray is there, just put it on the tray. Next up, we have the Mented Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick, and you get to choose one of the 3. First, we have the Peachy Keen, which is a more peachy, rosy color. I'll show you what it looks like. It's my personal favorite. I love a nice pink, rosy color. The next one is Blood Orange, which is more like a vibrant red orange. Today for the shoot, I wore a little bit of the Peachy Keen, and then I love mixing colors, so I mixed it with a little bit of the Blood Orange, and I feel like that made a really pretty color. This is what it looks like. Very sexy. The third one is Blacker the Berry, and this one's darker. It's more of a purpley tone, but with some red. That's what they look like. They're so cute. They're a velvety matte finish, which will leave your lips very hydrated, but also last all day long. Next up, we have a throwback item, which is great because you can get it now if you didn't get a chance to get it last time, or you can get a refill. And this is the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. This is a really great mask for hydrating and plumping the skin because you know what I say, you gotta get that pump. It's also really good for all skin types, and it's very soothing and refreshing. So you're gonna wanna apply a generous amount to cleanse skin, and then just massage it in circular motion just to increase that blood flow. It's also just nice to really massage your face like during your skin routine, you know? Give yourself some love, and then you can leave it on overnight, or you can put it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off. I just love a mask that you can just put on and then just go to bed. I can already tell it's my favorite texture. I love anything very gel-like because I just know it's hydrating. Perfect for going to bed, honestly. Like, you want your face smelling like this before you hit that pillow. Next up, we have the Eparé Cutting Board Set of 4. These are durable, lightweight, and super flexible. So these are non-porous, non-absorbent, and they won't dull your knives. On the back side, you can actually see that it has a non-slip backing, so it'll stay put when you're cutting your veggies or your meat or whatever it is. They come in 4 different colors, so you don't cross-contaminate whenever you're cooking. So we have the red, which is like for the meats. We have this lime green, light lime green, which is for fish, any seafood. And then we have this green, which would be for vegetables. And then this one would be for chicken. And because they're flexible, you can just funnel them up and drop your food in, so there's no spills happening in the kitchen. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. So this is a non-drying cleanser which helps to remove dead skin, residue, and makeup. It's gonna help your skin feel fresh and mattified without drying it out. So you're gonna wanna apply a little bit on damp skin and then just really massage it in and then rinse it off with some warm water, and you're welcome to use it morning and night. So let's check it out. Ooh, it's a nice silky texture. Ooh, that smells like eucalyptus. And I already have eucalyptus in my shower, so now this is double the eucalyptus. That is all we have for this category. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a FabFitFun member yet, make sure you sign up at FabFitFun.com, and we will see you next season.